ONPASSIVE is the shining light in our lives. The sun lighting ONPASSIVE shines in every corner of the internet. Other companies will fade away. ONPASSIVE will shine brightly. ONPASSIVE is lighting up the hearts of all its founders, regardless of where you reside or who you are. ONPASSIVE reaches you along its paths. ONPASSIVE is that guiding light that is leading internet users away from the darkness and helplessness of trying to navigate the internet. ONPASSIVE will help people who use the internet to a better way of doing business with ONPASSIVE's superior and totally digital and AI-driven products. ONPASSIVE will change the landscape of doing business online. ONPASSIVE will guide them out of poverty, despair, and hopelessness. ONPASSIVE will exceed the imaginations of our hearts. Imagine not having to worry about existing from paycheck to paycheck. ONPASSIVE is the path to the incredible feeling of self-worth, knowing that you have brought light into the lives of millions of people living in the darkness because of the environment where they are forced to live. ONPASSIVE will change those precious souls who go to bed hungry every night. Tears of sadness will be turned into tears of joy. We founders are on a search and rescue mission. ONPASSIVE and its founders are well on the way to our humanitarian goal of leaving no one. ONPASSIVE will help children and adults with special needs to live better lives. They will love who they are, knowing that someone cares about them. Visualize the smartest thing on earth with a loving heart, something that focuses on helping the lonely ones elevate themselves and feel included and loved like others are loved. Imagine something that does not break down, and cannot get tired or bored. It is boundless energy, not caring how you look, only how you feel. That is ONPASSIVE and Mr. Mufareh, the brains behind the design of ONPASSIVE. He has been able to harness the heart and love he has for humanity into this massive IT giant that is presently the home of 1,300,000 loving and energetic founders.